How do you start investing in crypto when you're a complete beginner and want a platform that's easy, secure, and regulated? That's the exact question I asked myself when I first dipped my toes into the world of digital assets. For me, the answer became Wealthsimple Crypto. It's where I started, and honestly, the best way to use it as a beginner is to lean into its simplicity and its safety features. Here's my step-by-step experience and the best practices I follow. Key setup and funding. The first step is making it official. Wealthsimple is great because if you already use their other products, you're halfway there. 1. Opening your crypto account. In the Wealthsimple app, all I had to do was click plus add an account and select the crypto account type. It's an easy-to-follow prompt. The important thing to know is that your crypto account is a non-registered account. This means any profit you make, your capital gains, will need to be reported on your taxes. That's a key beginner takeaway. Crypto gains are taxable. 2. Fund your account. To start trading, you need cash. I linked my bank account and initiated a deposit. Wealthsimple offers instant deposits up to a certain limit, which is a huge benefit because you don't have to wait days for your money to clear before you can buy. Pro tip, if you're a total beginner, start with a small, manageable amount. Crypto is volatile, so only invest what you are 100% comfortable losing. Shopping cart trading and investing basics. Once your account is funded, the trading process itself is incredibly straightforward. 1. Buying your first coin. Wealthsimple makes buying crypto feel like buying a stock. I tap the search tab. I type in the name of the coin I want, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Wealthsimple offers over 140 coins. I select the coin and hit buy. Crucially, you don't have to buy a whole coin. You can simply specify a dollar amount, say $20, and Wealthsimple buys a fractional amount for you. This is an excellent feature for beginners who want to keep initial investment low. Review the order, which shows the trading fee clearly. It's charged on every order, and then submit order. 2. Set up recurring investments, DCA. This is the single best way a beginner can use Wealthsimple Crypto. It's called dollar cost averaging, or DCA. I set up a recurring investment, for example, $50 of Bitcoin every 2 weeks. This automates my investing, takes emotion out of the equation, and protects me from trying to time the market. I highly recommend this as the main strategy for anyone starting out. 3. Staking, for advanced beginners. Wealthsimple also lets you earn rewards by staking certain coins. Essentially, you lock up your coins to help validate transactions on a blockchain, and in return, you earn a yield. I only started looking at this once I was comfortable holding my core assets. The returns are not guaranteed, and Wealthsimple takes a staking fee, but it's an easy, passive way to earn more from your existing crypto holdings directly within the app. Locked security and best practices. Security is paramount. The platform is regulated, which offers peace of mind, but your personal security is just as important. 1. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. The first thing I did, and what you must do, is enable two-factor authentication. It adds an extra layer of protection, requiring a unique code from an app every time you log in on a new device. 2. Understand withdrawals. Unlike some exchanges, Wealthsimple is custodial, meaning they hold the crypto for you. However, you do have the option to withdraw your crypto to an external wallet if you want full control. Warning, I only did this after I fully understood wallet addresses and network fees. For most beginners, keeping it on Wealthsimple is simpler and safer until you're more advanced. Always send a small test amount first. 3. Tax documentation. Since this is a non-registered account, you'll need to report capital gains. Wealthsimple provides the necessary tax documents at the end of the year, which makes the reporting process significantly easier than trying to track every single trade manually. The best way to use Wealthsimple Crypto is to utilize its simplicity for dollar cost averaging, start small, and be completely diligent with your security settings and understanding your tax obligations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.